Hola beauties, and welcome back to another try on haul. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty, and if it is your first time here, welcome to the channel that is all about all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And if you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, welcome back. It has been a minute since I filmed a try-on haul. Today, I am bringing to you a spring Tings try-on haul, which happened to be only one of my favorite types of dresses. And if you watch my channel, any of my videos, then you already know what that is. And those are midi dresses. Yes, I love a midi dress. Well, today I have several of them that are from Fashion Nova that I'm just sharing with you. Now, this is a judge-free zone. I'm just trying these dresses on for you. I want to show you exactly how they fit without me wearing my shaper. I cannot believe I'm doing this, but I'm doing it. A couple of them, I am not wearing a bra. I can't believe it. But anyway, and before we get into the video, make sure if you like what you see here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click your notification bell. So let's get into this video. Up first is a really cute ensemble. Wanted to bring the color down just a little bit so you can really see. Now remember, judge free, okay? Y'all already know my midsection is just, anyway, let me step back.
Baby girl!
All right, this midi dress, first of all, it is a ribbed midi dress. Yes, y'all, I can't believe it, but I don't have on a shaper. This is me, y'all. Anyway, I'm braless. This dress is a size medium because I read the reviews, and whenever it contains great stretch, I tend to go down a size. And that's what I always tell you. Read your reviews, read what the dress, whatever the item contains. And if you don't know what it is, if you don't know what type of material it is, Google is your best friend. Just Google it. Now, let me tell you, the neck part is a bit tight. It's very, very fitting up here. It doesn't hurt. It's not uncomfortable, but that's why I was able to go braless. All I did, baby, was just lift the girls up like so, and I was able to go without a bra. But, I mean, of course, when I get ready to wear this, I'm sorry, but I can't wear it like this. Well, I'm not gonna wear it like this. But anyway, again, great stretch. It's ribbed. And what I want to do here also, I want you to see how it looks on the model versus me. This is the model, and this is me.
Hey.
So if you like it, y'all hit up Fashion Nova. This video is not sponsored. I have purchased every item with my own coins. I think I need to start my own online boutique. A couple of people have spoke that into my life, so let me know what y'all think. All right, next up is this really cute blush pink midi dress. Let me let you see.
Yes, queen, yes, queen, yes, queen!
Yes! Okay, now this one is also a size medium. I actually could have sized down one more time and got a small. This has really good stretch. I like my midi bodycon dresses because that's what this is. Actually, that's what each one of them are. They're bodycons, and I like my bodycon dresses to be fitted. I don't know about anybody else, but when you are wearing a midi bodycon dress, whether it's midi, mini, whatever, when it's bodycon, you want it fitted. It is supposed to show your silhouette. And now, again, I don't have on a body shaper. I did have to put on a bra with this one. Like, that wasn't happening. I love the color of it. I just love everything about it. I love tank style. Now, my straps are kind of peeking out, but when you wear something like this, it's like when I actually wear it, I would do the cross strap. This is a multi-way bra, so I would make it crisscross in the back so that you're not so like right here. See how it's sticking out? Sticking out. You won't see that, y'all. Here is the model.
Slim waist, pretty face, he know I'm a dime.
Y'all, this dress, this one is really, really cute. Now, the material, I don't know what it is, but it's that soft, slinky material, baby, that shows everything, okay? Now, you have to wear, well, let me say me, I definitely have to wear a shaper with this because my legs are just not as smooth as they used to be. To be exact, my thighs are not as smooth. So I cannot go without a shaper. This dress is really cute though, y'all. Check her out.
All people around us gonna make me better in that. It's so.
I love it. Really, really cute. Now, let me just tell you a couple of things. I don't know if y'all could really see, but this material, baby, you have got to smooth your body out. If you are not smooth, I suggest whether you are small, medium, or large, if you get this dress, make sure you wear some type of smoothing foundation underneath. I'm telling you, please trust me on this. Anyway, I do have on a bra. What I did was, it's just a regular bra. I just tucked this strap in because of how it's made, and this is what really drew me to this. This is the model. This is what I saw, and it just really drew me into this dress. I love the way it's made. This is a little hot though, y'all. It's hot. Even though the dress doesn't have sleeves, this thing is hot on your neck, but I will suffer. I will go ahead and bear with the heat to be cute, but I love it. I really, really love it. It's like, I'm not sure if you can really see on camera. Let me see. But it is like a rust color. Very springy, looks really good. And this dress is also a size medium. Again, I look at the reviews, I look at the material that the dress contains, and if it contains elastane, which is like a stretchy material, I don't even know if I pronounced that correctly, but if it contains spandex and it's a large amount, I know the size down. My next midi dress is a really cute faux leather strapless dress. Now I know that's not really springy, but when I saw it, I just wanted it. And with the weather we've been having, remember I reside in Houston, Texas, and this spring weather is kind of almost like winter. It's been really cool these last few days. I mean, it's still something you can wear if you go into an all black party. You can pull out this faux leather dress at any time. Take a look.
I got too much sauce.
It's cute. Y'all, I had to step into this. I couldn't bring this over my head. This top is a little bit loose. I mean, you can't really see it, but look, it's loose. I really, really need to get this tightened before I actually wear it. It's very, very stretchy. I love that about it. Really cute. I would definitely wear my foundation, my smoothing foundation under this as well. I'm not sure about the size, but I think this dress is a size large, and it's cute. This is the model.
Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big. Yeah. Little waist, body crazy, curvy, wavy, big. Little waist, body, yaddy.
Almost done. Don't turn it off. Just keep watching. All right, the final look for today. This really cute midi dress. Of course, you know it's a midi dress. It's rust. It's sweater material. As you can see, it's another one of those mock turtlenecks. I don't like it, but the dress is cute.
To my face, bomb, ass tight, rack, stuck up, shack, height.
She is cute. All right, y'all, this one is sweater material and it is extremely loose. This is a size small. Y'all heard me? A size small, and it is still very stretchy. So if you're already small, this dress will be too small. I don't think it comes in an extra small, but this is a small, just letting y'all know. I still like it, y'all. I will still rock it. Again, it's another rust color. I don't know what it was, but those colors, rust, that cognac color, orange, yellow, those colors have really been catching my eye, but I've been more so gravitating towards these type of colors. But I really like this one, really like it. All right, that will conclude this spring Tings midi dress try on haul for today. Again, if you like what you saw here today, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of it, what you would like to see in the future. And of course, we love a share. Sharing means caring. Now, I did have a couple of other pieces that didn't quite work out. I had a cute little yellow strapless midi dress like this. But y'all, this dress is super thin. I mean, like super thin. It was just absolutely nothing I could do with it. So anyway, I will see each of you, same place, same channel. Stay poppin' beauties. Adios.